This is you brewing coffee with your Nespresso machine. Usually, you just throw away the used coffee capsule, but now we have another choice. Simply cut out the existing foil and rinse it to make it clean and dry, because wet capsules might cause the foil to not stick tightly. Then, put the empty capsule on the holder. Add coffee with a scoop. Now, flatten with a spoon, but not too tightly. Please note that the coffee does not exceed the edge. We need to use a brush to sweep off the coffee on the edges. Coffee caught on the edges can cause the foil to not stick tightly. We need to align the foil tab with the reference point on the holder and apply the foil on top of the capsule. Use the brush handle to secure and flatten the seal around the inside of the rim. Then press the edges to be smooth. Uneven edges can cause the capsule to become unbalanced during rotation, causing the coffee machine to produce unusual noises and can even damage the coffee machine. Now, place it in an espresso coffee machine and enjoy your coffee.